yes, sabi natin 7,000. Kahit sabi ko nga kanina kay Chairman Barbers, kahit 2,000 o 3,000 na lang. Abutin lang po to be honest and candid about it. Abutin lang po ng next at patapos yung administrasyon na ito, hindi po ito matatapos. Sa totoo lang po. Because we also don't want, PNP is involved in this. And then you give the PNP the responsibility to review it. Wala. Sigurado yun. Diba? At the same time, we will also do not want the organization of the PNP will focus on this. Marami pa po silang trabaho. Now, ganun din pong NBI. Pag binigay mo ito yung 7,000 sa NBI, wala. Especially the statement coming from Atty. Lavin na out of the 52, 13 only because some relatives of the victims are not anymore interested. They are not cooperating. Walang evidence, etc. etc. Walang mangyari. Kahit anong motion natin dito, every hearing, i-move natin, walang mangyari dito. Now, kaya nag-usap kami kanina ni Chairman Barbers, if the committee or my co-chairs, and of course, the lead chair, Chairman Barbers, will join me, siguro dun sa committee report or partial committee report na ilalabas natin, we will ask the executive department to create na super body or a commission. No, to concentrate and investigate para yung mga agencies natin hindi magka-problema sa trabaho nila. Siguro may representative kami from the PNP doon sa commission na yon. Pero dapat ito, this will result for a very fair, honest, and truthful result. Doon po sa sinasabi nating mga 7,000 cases of para at least magiging yung question of result, no? Possible result of this, kaysa bawat hearing natin, questionin natin yung police, questionin natin ang ganito, tapos mag-move tayo, invite si ganito, wala rin. Di ba? Kaya I suggest, Mr. Chairman, and to the members of this committee that siguro, pwede tayong gumawa ng partial committee report with regards to EJK once again, and we will recommend to create such super body, whatever you call it, commission or whatever, no, to concentrate in these cases, no, for review and reinvestigation of all these cases. Yun po. Dalawa po. Again, once again, question of the confidential report that was submitted by then DOJ Secretary Guevara to the Office of the President, if he can get that a copy of that, and a part of the partial committee report for the EJK to recommend to the executive department to create such body that I mentioned, whatever it is. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
I would believe that in this administration, we have a different Philippine National Police. Am I right, Major General Salvador?
Yes, Your Honor.
And therefore, if we have a different Philippine National Police, I'd like to really strongly suggest that another motu proprio investigation should be conducted, no, and reopened with about 7,640 that died in police operations during the time of the former administration. Tulad po ng sinabi ni Congressman Dan Fernandez kanina, huwag kayo mawala ng pag-asa. Tony Conti, Mr. Salmenta, at Ma'am Fortune, lahat po kayo, na ipagpapatuloy po namin ito. In fact, election year po ngayon eh. Kaya napakahirap po sa amin, no? We are being attacked left and right, and we are in the middle of the campaign. Pero nakita po namin yung pangangailangan na dapat talaga po nating ituloy ito. I also would like to agree with Congressman Paduano that a super body should be formed and created, no? Para patuloy ang investigasyong ito kahit na po mag-end ang 19th Congress. Well, we would like also to recognize Reverend Noel. I believe that he also has something to say, so we would like to recognize him now for him to say his own statements of what EJK right now.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Bilang kinatawan ng mga nanay ng biktima ng EJK, we would like to suggest a truth commission to continue the investigation. Kasi we see the impunity will logically continue with this truth commission. We suggest is to continue investigating in view of the prosecution of the mastermind and the perpetrators. We should be selective. And another suggestion is, we suggest that there would be a compensation bill to compensate na walang po ng breadwinner ang mga nanay. Thousands of them. But until now, they are suffering injustice. Nobody helped them. The policemen who were there were system of reward. Pero yung mga biktima, walang tulong. That's why we would like to request, if it is contemplated that there would be a compensation bill na bigyan ng scholarship yung mga anak or kabuhayan or dissenting bahay para matulungan sila. And then, finally, security. Hanggang ngayon may mga teams. Yun lang po.
Maraming salamat po, Reverend Noel. No? Maganda po yung sinabi ninyo. In fact, nung iniimbestigahan po itong sinimulan natin sa Committee on Human Rights, ay napag-usapan na po yung Truth Commission. Ngayon po ito'y inulit ni Congressman Paduano na magkaroon tayo ng super body to actually investigate on this. At ito ay iniisip na namin. At hayaan nyo, Reverend Noel, pag-uusapan po namin ito ng Quadcom tungkol po sa Truth Commission sapagkat nais po nating ipagpatuloy itong investigation na ito sa EJK kahit na po matapos ang kongresong ito. Sapagkat June 30 po, bago ng kongreso, 20th Congress na. Oo. At nais ko sana, kahit na po bago ang may bago ng kongreso, na kaming dalawa na lang po ni Congressman ako ang maiiwan, may pagpapatuloy po namin itong Quadcom na ito. Pero between that, siguro po before we actually complete our investigation, that we now would like to really create a truth commission on this or a super body that would continue to investigate. Ano? So, do we have any other witness here or sole speaker that have not spoken yet? And we would like him to also speak and give us their view on the matter. Or do we have any more? Yes. So we have Congressman Adjong.
Yes, because you have been speaking for so long.
Yeah,
so, the chair would like to...
I was acting as the chairman.
I had my
Because
name listed as
you
one
have
of the
been taking the phone for too long.
Mr. Chair, I had my name listed earlier as one of the interpellators, but I give way to Congresswoman Franz Castro, our incoming senator. By the way, Mr. Chair, hindi lang po si Chairman Benny Abante at saka si Chairman Manong Romy ang may iwan dito. May iwan tayong lahat dito. I give way
Kung mananalo.
Kung mananalo.